Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, traders from around the entire world, welcome to a brand new year, 2023. January is one of my favorite months because the abbreviation is also my initials. January comes from the Roman god Janus, which he was looking both forward and backward. He had two heads, looking into the back of the year, looking into the forward of the year. Fun fact. And this month in January, we actually have it called Extra Income Month. Every single month at Real Life Trading, we have a little bit of a theme. And that's what the theme of January is. And I have an amazing challenge for you for your life, and your trading. First and foremost, let's go ahead and dive into the trading challenge for the month of January. Calvin's already excited here. He knows what it's going to be. I want you to take a 3-minute 10 EMA trade on Bitcoin. During the back trading ultra marathon that I did about 2 weeks ago, we took a live trade after KP Kartek. He asked me to do that as a back trade. We did it and it worked amazing. And we took 3 or 4 trades. It was continually working amazing. Then we took a live trade and it worked out beautiful. So let's go do it again. That's your challenge for the month of January. Now, the real challenge, which is going to be the physical challenge, pretty easy. Let's do 10 times the day leg lifts. Now, you're not going to do it all at once, meaning you don't have to do at the very end of the month 300 leg lifts without stopping, just like all my other calendar challenges. But day 1, which is today, 10 leg lifts, right? Day 2, 20 leg lifts, and so on and so forth. But we're going to sprinkle in a little bit of an additional challenge for January. And I'm excited to see how this works out, at least for me. I've thought about something called the Increasing Day Alternate Challenge. Let me explain. First day of January, do whatever you want, eat whatever you want, doesn't matter, all good. Second day of January, no carbs, no sugars, no alcohol, all great foods, clean as you can possibly go, right? So 1 day on, 1 day off. Then you have 2 days where you can eat whatever you want, drink whatever you want, who cares? Then you have 2 days where you're as clean as possible, no sugar, no processed food, no alcohol, clean as a whistle. And then 3 days on where you can do whatever the heck you want, who cares? And then you have 3 days off. This is what my eating regiment's going to be in January, just to try it out, just to see how it is. I've never done it before, and it'll be interesting. So it's going to be 1 day, bad, Newsom, 1 day, amazing. 2 days, bad, 2 days, clean as a whistle. 3 days, and then 3 days. And I'm trying to see how long I can go. 4 days, and then 4, 5, and then 5, 6, and then 6, so on and so forth, until I'm just stretching it out to a point where maybe I'm having 20 days in a row where I'm eating as clean as humanly possible. And then I have another 20 days where I can just do whatever I want. It's going to be an interesting experiment, but I'm at least doing that for January, just to let you know. Cool? All right, awesome. And then your life challenge. I want you to think about how you can create extra income online. That's it. You already know how to trade. You already know how to make money trading. What else can you do online? Can you sell something? Can you buy a rare book from a garage sale, yard sale, and sell it on eBay for $10 more than you bought it for? Can you buy something from a storage unit and sell it online? Think of some ways that you can make money, but specifically online. That's going to be the key. That's going to be the goal for you. And I'm really excited to see what you have to say. So you got your real challenge, which is going to be leg lifts, and the alternate day challenge. You're going to have your trading challenge, which is the day trade Bitcoin on a 3-minute chart using the 10 EMA strategy, and then make some extra income online for the month of January. That's it. You're amazing. Thanks so much for being here. You rock. And until next time, love life, live life, and trade it.